Hi, Cooking with Judd again. Got a bunch of gluten-free things over at Publix, two of which are brand new. One of which is this Eating Well prepared chicken dinner, which I'm cooking up right now to eat. And I didn't notice when I picked it up that it has asparagus in it, but I'm going to eat the rest of it anyway. Maybe I'll even try the asparagus. It's been 60 years. And the other is the pizza, this really neat pizza, which I'm hoping to have tonight during the ball game, and we'll see how that works out. The Eating Well chicken dinner is ready to come out of the microwave, so... Oh, by the way, this is what it looks like before it goes into the microwave, and now coming out of the microwave. Doesn't that look delectable? Actually, that looks better than it looks in real life, because I haven't taken the film off yet. So here's what it looks like coming out of the oven with the seal off. Fingerling potatoes, roast chicken breast and some kind of sauce, and asparagus and carrots. Carrots are good. We like carrots. Okay, you can see we got some nice white sauce there of some sort. More potatoes than anything. Very few carrots. But here's the chicken, but it's very hot. But we'll see. Okay, good enough. Good quality chicken. Carrots are okay. Fingerling potatoes. I don't know if I've ever had these. Very hot. But nice. Nicely cooked. Okay, we'll try the asparagus. Asparagus probably kind of mushy. That is a weird taste. Well, I don't know. It's not going to kill me. So, there you go. Not bad. Okay, addendum. I just finished my meal. The carrots were okay. The asparagus was... It's asparagus. I suppose it was good for asparagus. I don't particularly like it. The potatoes and chicken were excellent. But I checked... Something was bothering me about the sauce. I was thinking it was too much garlic or something. But it turned out it's some kind of mustard sauce. Whole grain mustard sauce. I did not like it. I didn't like it with the chicken or the potatoes. So I ended up basically not dipping, cleaning it off as much as I could and eating that. And like I said, the chicken and potatoes were really good. The whole thing was only $3. So I mean, it's a great deal. But I personally do not like that sauce, whatever that sauce was. Overall, I'd say, I mean, the quality of the thing was unquestionable. So, there you go. Okay, we're going to do part 2. This is one of the other things I got today. Real good pizza. I've never had this before. Uncured pepperoni. I don't know how I like about that. But they do suggest on the back here, something I learned from doing my tortilla pizzas. If you want a crispy crust, put it in the fry pan afterwards for a couple of minutes. So we'll see how this is. It was $6.99. As you can see, it's not very big, but if it's good, then we go. I've got the oven preheated, and we're going to cook it up and see what happens. By the way, congratulations to Drew Brees. Okay, this is what it looks like after it comes out of the box and after I take the plastic wrap off. I've left the cardboard on the bottom. They say leave the cardboard on and put it on a baking sheet and put it in the oven. You can do it in the microwave, but they recommend the oven. And it cooks for 20 to 23 minutes, which is much longer than I expected. I have a convection oven, and I put it in for 20 minutes, and I just pulled it out at 18. Because it is definitely done. Now you can see the cardboard there, and we're warming up the fry pan to 250 medium heat, and we're going to hit that with a little Pam, and we're going to put this into there. They said for 2 minutes. Woo-wee! That's got some steam coming off of it, and definitely not crispy. Very soggy. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. Oh, there we go, 2 minutes. And you can see that's bubbling away there. So we'll see what's that done. They did say use a non-stick pan. And I'm going to slip it right out into here. Come on, baby. I need a third hand to do the filming. Okay, that still looks a little soggy, but maybe it'll set up. Let's see what it looks like on the bottom. Not exactly New York, huh? Everything's falling off the crust. So I'm getting it back up on the crust here. I'll get this stove back on. Okay, we're going to put it back in there. Easier said than done, I think. Ooh. Yeah, see, she's real droopy. I don't know if that's going to make it. I'm going to give that another 2 minutes. I squished the fixings up onto the crust a little bit more. Some of you might know a long time ago I was turned on to and recommended the Against the Grain brand gluten-free pizza, and that is the one to beat. But that's a big pizza and it's 12 bucks, and I just wasn't up for going for that much. This is a small pizza, it can serve one person very nicely, and it was $7, $6.99. You know, that's why I'm trying this. Ultimately, the best thing I've had pizza-wise on anything is my own tortilla pizzas. But sometimes I'm lazy and I don't want to make them. I just want to throw something in there. But then I end up doing more work on this than I do on my own. So anyways, there we go. I heard a crackle. That's a good sound. Okay, it's been another 2 minutes and I looked at the bottom of that thing and it isn't even showing any signs of being on heat. So I just cranked the heat up a couple of points, up to 320. I'm going to give it another 2 minutes. This thing, the cardboard one, I just took the cardboard off the cookie sheet and it was saturated with oils or fats or whatever, I don't know what. But so this thing is really soaked with something, so to blacken that crust or even brown it is going to take something, so we'll see what happens. Okay, I had it in there about 2 minutes. I forgot to set the timer, but this is one sloppy pizza. I mean, it was still quite crumbly. I did get some coloring on the bottom there, you can see. I got the edges burned and part of it's falling off, but it's still, when I brought it out, it was still like a wet rag as far as using the spatula on it. So we're going to let it set here for a couple minutes on the rack, which maybe will harden up the crust, maybe not, but then I'm going to eat it and then we'll find out how it is. But it's a very sloppy pizza at this point. Okay, I let this set for about 5 minutes and it is still quite soggy. This is going to be the most soggiest pizza I've ever seen. I mean, look at that. It's just soggy. It better be damn good tasting. So we'll have a bite and see what happens. Okay, rather a thick crust. Tasty, but not pizza tasty. Almost has like a fishy taste to it. Nice enough, but definitely not a pizza. Yeah, stick to my tortilla pizza. That's the way to go. Sorry. Of course, that's a lot cheaper too. Happy day to you. Blah.